Good day, everyone. I'm bringing you this live VIX 75, VIX 100, and VIX 25 update. I'm going to show you the trade I took today on VIX 75, my setup on VIX 100. That's the trade I'm presently waiting for, and VIX 25. VIX 75. This was the trade I took today. After this consolidation, if you've been watching this channel, you would have known how I trade my trade. So after this consolidation, so we were generally in uptrend. We're in uptrend, so I'm waiting for only buy opportunity. I'm waiting for buy opportunity alone. So then after the consolidation, I was actually waiting for market to come back to the top of my 21 moving average. You can see the moving average, the top moving average. Then immediately after the market came back to the 21 moving average, this 30 minutes time frame, I used 30 minutes time frame to trade it because that's where I saw what I was waiting for. Then what happened? A block order was formed. Exactly on top this moving average. Exactly on top this moving average. A block order was formed on this moving average. So I waited for the next candle to form and closed above this other block. Then after then I entered my market. I entered the trade somewhere around here. I entered the trade around here and I target the top of this moving average. This is where I target moving average. Then my stop loss was below here like this. So this was the trade. Exactly, this was the trade. Can you see? So this is the trade I took today. This today's setup. And on VIX 100, let me quickly show you what I am presently waiting for. On VIX 100, the setup I'm presently waiting for on VIX 100. This is VIX 100. Actually we are in a downtrend generally on VIX 100, but I'm waiting for a reversal. Why am I waiting for a reversal? Let me show you the reasons why I'm waiting for a reversal. I'm waiting for a reversal. I want to take a reversal trade. Can you see? There was a kind of head and shoulder was formed. We saw this was formed. Something like this was formed. Something like this was formed. Can you see? Which is a reversal pattern. So then what happened? We saw a massive move to the upside down. Then a retest, now a pullback that is testing our network moving average. So what I'm presently waiting for is a market or a candle that will close above this consolidation. Can you see the market is consolidating on top of our moving average? A candle that will close above this consolidation and give a block order on top of this consolidation before I entered my trade. So that is what I'm presently waiting for now on VIX 100. Something like that happened earlier on, and I was able to take the trade. Something like this happened. So we got a rejection. Then after the rejection, a pullback testing this moving average. Then I entered the trade. It was a nice trade, one of the nice trades I took this week. So that's what I'm presently waiting for now. If you have a VIX account, you can join me in this trade. I will let you know when I'm about to take the trade. So thank you so much.